Yes. Yeah. Good evening, all. Right. Before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear? Right. So in the last class, right, just I was briefing you about this fundamental data types and collection data types. We have got integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. In the case of collection data type, we have got list, tuple, set, and dictionary. List indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, list addresses, nested list. We have got lot of discussion on this, right? So, but in the case of fundamental data type, we have got lot of discussion on string. Today, my discussion will be on string. String, right? A string is a sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented. A string is represented, right? Yes. Using a single quote, using double quote, and using triple quote. In Python, a string is represented as single quote, double quote, and triple quote. A string is represented using single quote, double quote, or triple quote. Same. Example, city equal to Hyderabad. Sequence collection of characters. A string is a sequence collection of characters. A single word or a single line represent using single quote or double quote for multiple lines or for a paragraph. For multiple lines or for a paragraph, right? Go for triple quote. Single or double, for a single word or line, go for single quote or double quote. For multiple lines or for a paragraph, go for triple quote. Each character of a string, each character of a string each character of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Index starts from left side to right side. This index starts with 0. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Negative index. Negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts from right to left. Positive index or forward index. Index starts from left side to right side. Index starts with 0. Negative index or backward index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Index starts with -1, right? Yes. Okay. So just observe this, right? Example for this. I'm taking a string x equal to Python. I'm taking a string, right? X equal to Python, x equal to Python, right? An object is going to be created. An object is going to get created, right? Python, Python, right? Python. It is going to have some address. The address is given by X. Now check this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call it like forward index. This we call it like forward index or positive index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Backward index or negative index. Forward index or positive, backward index or negative index, right? What is x of 2 value? Everyone try to respond. Unmute yourself and try to respond. What is x of 2 here?
T.
X of 2 is t. X of -2 value. X of -2 value. -2 value is what? Oh, x of 2 is t, x of -2 is 4. X of 2 is t, x of -2 is 4. Right. Forward index or positive index, backward index or negative index. Now, coming back to this single line comment. A single line comment in Python starts with hash symbol, right? The sequence collection of characters, single line comment. If all this, if I want to comment, it is not Python code, right? Just for your understanding. So just provide in this way and with this is multi-line comment, right? X equal to Python. Print X. Type of X. Type, there is what type? See, if you're assigning a string to X, type will be string. If you're assigning integer to X, integer type. If you're assigning float value to X, it will be float type. Type of X. And len of X. Len of X, right? Length of the text. Length is what? Number of characters. How many characters? 6 characters, right? 6 characters. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print x plus y. Print x plus y, right? Yes. Python plus programming. Python plus programming. Python programming, right? Yes. So this we call it like concatenation. What is this? Concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings means first string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Python 7 p.m. batch, right? str1.py. Check this run module. Yes. Printing that string, what type? str type, length is 6. Python plus Python programming, first string followed by second string. I want space. X is one string, Y is one string. Between these two strings, right? Yes. I want one blank string. X is one, Y is one. Between these two, one blank string. So Python space programming. Okay, this is what concatenation. Next step. String slicing. String slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. Particular portion, extracting particular portion of a string, right? Yes. X equal to yes. Python program. X equal to Python program. Extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. X of starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to colon. 0 colon. Yes. Everyone try to unmute and try to respond, right? I want the sessions to be more interactive, right? X
So
of
0 colon 6.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to give 6 here. Actually 5 only, but I need to provide 6. This is called lower bound. This is upper bound. Upper bound always excluded. Upper bound always, if you have given 5, 5 should have been excluded. You won't get this n. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. This 6 will be excluded. You won't get this. 6 up to 0 to 5 means Python you get. Save it. Every time you need to save your code, run module, right? Python.
But this will we have no small string. If we have so we need to put that length here. So if we don't know about the length, then
So we have got many ways to extract the string using slicing, using splitting, or using regular expressions we can perform. Later I discuss about these things. You've got huge strings, you go for regular expressions in Python. Small string, you go for slicing. If you have a single line or if you want, even you can split it and you can just extract particular word. Multiple ways are there, right? Okay. Now extract the middle portion of the string. Extract only PROG. Hmm. Try to say, I want to extract only these four characters. Everyone. X of, yes. Everyone try to respond. I want to extract this PROG, these four characters only from this string, starting with, yes, everyone.
Can we put -4 to -7?
7.
Positive index will say me first, everyone. Positive index.
So 7.
7,
7 to
7 to
7 to 8, 9,
11. 11. 7 to 11.
7 to 11, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is this empty string. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 10 also you want means 11 you provide, 11 excluded, up to 10 it will take. If I say print x of 11 to 7, 11 to 7 means what you get? Opposite way, 11 to 7. 7 to 11, PROG. If I say opposite way, 11 to 7.
So first of all, can it work? The reason being 11 is in the reverse direction. Right? So
11 to 7, you talk. 11 to 7, you are going in this way. 11 to 7 means you are going in the backward. It gives empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction. Because always slicing in the forward direction. Always slicing in the forward direction, right? Empty string you will get, because you are going in the previously 7 to 11, 7 to 11 forward direction. Okay. But 11 to 7, if you are going in the backward, it gives empty string. Empty string you got, right? Yes. Now, extract PROG now using negative index. Just before someone said, right? Yes. Extract PROG using the negative index. Hmm. X of, yes. X of,
-4 is to -7.
you're going in backward direction. Empty string you get. Using negative index also go in the forward direction.
-7.
X of
So
minus
minus 7 is to -4.
minus
-3.
7 is to -3. -7 you want, see here, -1, -2, -3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -7 you want, -6 you want, -5, -4. -4 also you want means -3. -3 excluded means up to -4 it takes. All right. Extract PROG using negative index. Now I want to extract the entire word program. And using positive index, you say me first. Entire word program I want. X of
So
X of
7 is to 14.
7 to say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14th
And
index is not available. Can I give 14 here? 14th index not available up to 13 only. If I give 13, M will be excluded. I give 14, right? I can provide 14 because 14 excluded. Up to 13 it will take, right? Please be in mute. 7 to 14, right? 7 to 14, 14 excluded up to 13 it is going to take. You get the entire word program. Or print X of 7 to, don't provide this upper bound. Don't provide this upper bound. This also, right? 7 to 14, 7 to up to the end of the string it is going to take. Yes, using negative index, you say me every X of. Using negative index, extract this program.
Sir, -7 is to an empty will leave a space.
-7 to empty. Don't provide this. Means -7 to up to the end of this string it is going to read. Extract this program, right? Yes. All these three results the same output, right? Run module program. What is if I ignore this lower bound? What if I ignore this lower bound? X of, I'm not providing this lower bound, and 6 I have given. It reads from the start of the string to 6. Same. This and this both are same, right? Start of the string to 6. 6 excluded up to 5 will consider. Python. It's what? Python. Print. If I ignore both lower and upper bounds, what it reads? Entire string, right? From the start of the string to up to the end of the string, entire string. Is it compulsory to provide space here? No, right? This last three statements results the same output, similar to print X. This last three statements results the same output. They results the same output. Or this last four statements results the same output. Okay, fine. X of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2, right? So 0 is the start value. 14 is the stop value. And the 2 is the step value. Start value, stop value, and step value, right? Yes. Yes. 0 to 14 with increment of 2 means 0 index. Next increment by 2 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 0 means this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, same thing. Now, similar to that, right? Can I give in this way? Print x of colon 0 to 14. 0 to 14 means this. 0 to 14 means this one, right? As it is. And this colon 2 I'll keep as it is. Colon 2 means same output you get. Same output you get like previous one, right? Yes. Print x of colon -1 reverses the string. Reverses the string. Writing a comment for your understanding. Reverses the string, right? Run module. Python program, right? In this way, Python program reverses the string. Anytime if you want to reverse a string, what is that? Colon -1. Now, have you heard about the word palindrome? Palindrome.
Anagrams.
Palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, it is a palindrome. Example of palindrome. Example of this palindrome. MADAM. If we reverse also, you'll get the same thing, right? Malayalam. Malayalam. If you reverse also, you should get the same thing. Dad, mom. LEVEL, level. Race car. NITIN, Nitin. Yes. X equal to MADAM, right? Print X, it prints madam. If I reverse it, how to reverse a string? Colon -1, right? And store the output in Y. Print Y, right? Yes. Colon -1. See, if it is printing madam, this is also printing madam, right? Run module. So it is a palindrome. It's a palindrome, right? Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Without the step value, the earlier example, what if we put a square bracket and do not put a colon? would it print the entire X or would there be an error?
Which one? Which example?
Before the step value, just print X.
This one.
No. The earlier one. Just print X without the step value. Without the step value. Yeah. So
This
if we
one.
put a square, if we put a square bracket and don't put a semicolon, what happens?
This one you mean to say in this way?
Yeah.
Invalid syntax.
So there must be a semicolon.
Compulsory. Slicing means semicolon compulsory. Okay. If you reverse a string, if you get the same string, it's a palindrome. So okay, we don't need to write huge codings here in Python. We don't need to write huge codings. We have got many inbuilt methods are available. Just I'll show you some methods, right? Various string methods. String methods. First one, upper, to print in uppercase, x equal to Hyderabad, right? Either a single word or a line or a paragraph. You want to print everything in uppercase. X is the string dot upper. Everything it is going to print in uppercase. Save it first. To print a word or a line or a paragraph in upper, just store in X. So everything in uppercase. We have a method lower to print in lowercase. X equal to, for example, Mumbai, right? Yes. I want to print it in lowercase. X dot lower, right? To print in lowercase. Mumbai, printing Mumbai in lowercase. I want to print only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. I've got a method called capitalize. Only the first character I in the I only in upper, remaining all in the lower case. Check it once. Run module. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower case. Right? What is it? Capitalize. For capitalizing the first character of a string. It capitalizes the first character of a string. Okay, capitalize. For example, x equal to good morning. Sorry. Every word first character. Every word first character I want in uppercase. Every word first character I want in uppercase. Good. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase, right? If I use capitalize here, if I say X dot capitalize, only the first character G only in upper, but X dot title to print every word first character in the uppercase. G in uppercase, evening E in uppercase, Hyderabad H in uppercase. Title, right? For capitalizing the first character, each word in a string. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string.
Sir.
Hmm.
So generally, if we define many string values for the X, no sir. In the first case, Hyderabad, Mumbai, India, and the last thing is good evening Hyderabad. So if you print the X, it should come the latest value of the X. Why is it printing each and everything, sir?
What it is printing? Okay. See, Python interpretation, first line by line execution. First, it prints this output. Yes. Next comes to the next line. X dot lower it prints. Next, the third line, it prints this output and comes to this next line. If we are not giving the print, only the last print it will print.
Okay, sir. Got
But
it.
here every line you are given print, right? It has to print.
Can we use in third case this title?
1 second. So good evening, Hyderabad. Every word first character in uppercase, right? Even in the third case also title can be used. Where exactly this title can be useful, right? One more example. I got some employees data. in this field. Rahul, Ajay, Miller, Blake, Amar, James, John. In this way, some employee names, hundreds of employee names are there. Every employee name, first character I want in the uppercase. Every employee name, first character I want in the uppercase. In such case, print emps dot title, emps dot title, right? Yes. Every employee name, first character in the uppercase. If anyone have missed that yesterday session, right? Yes, you can see in the chart, they have forwarded the demo video link, right? If you have missed that previous session or the previous sessions, right? You can see the demo videos link is given in the chart by this online team. The course content links are given, the payment links are given, right? You can check with that. So here, yes. So each and every name, first character in the uppercase. Check it. You got every name, first character in the uppercase. Rahul, Ajay, Miller, Blake, Amar, John. Fine. Swap case. Converts one case to another case. Reverses the case. Converts one case to another case. Reverses the case. If it is in lower, converts into upper. For example, good evening, Hyderabad. If it is everything in the lower case, if I say X dot swap case, prints everything in the upper case. Prints everything in the upper case. Good evening, Hyderabad. Everything in the upper. Next, replace. We have got a method called replace method. For replacing a portion of the string. For replacing the portion of the string, X equal to, say, Java is Easy. Print X dot replace. The word Java you replace with Python. The word Java replace with Python. The output you get is Python is easy. Python is easy. Python, Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace each and every? Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python or only the first occurred Java with Python? Python is easy and Python is simple. Each and every occurrence of Java replaced with Python, right? Yes. You have got a method like count. To count the number of occurrences, of a substring or a character. To count the number of occurrences of a substring or a character. I will take a general string. Hello, 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 right? A string I have taken, a normal string I have taken. Print x dot count. X dot count of the word hello. How many times the word hello is repeated? 3. Print x dot count of a particular character h. Run module. 3. Hello, the count of hello is 3, count of h is 4, right? Yes. Understood, right? Yes. In this way, not only this upper, lower, capitalize, title, swap case, replace, count, format, strip, find, starts with, ends with. In this way, many other methods are there. The remaining methods I'll be briefing you in the tomorrow's class. And tomorrow, yes, the link is going to change, right? You'll be getting a new link. So get enrolled for paying that fees, for getting the link. The link will be forwarded to your mail ID by this online team. So once you got enrolled, once you do the payment, right? Don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to the mail ID provided, right? They have given the entire details in the chart about the payment process, the course content links, and the previous videos link. From tomorrow onwards, from tomorrow, right? You'll be getting the videos to your Google Drive. So you can play the videos. Every session video you are going to get. They are not downloadable. You will clear classroom notes, all this, whatever I'm typing, right? Everything you will be getting the notes to your mail IDs. A WhatsApp group will be created tomorrow for technical discussion, and assignments and tasks will be provided to write your own code. Yes. And the previous interview questions. Once have a look on this course content, right? Yes. Once just Python basics, Python operations, interactive mode, batch mode, editors, IDs, comments, escape sequences, operators, different IDs, integrated development environment, right? Like Anaconda distributions, PyCharm, Jupyter, Spider, Eclipse, VS Code, flow control statements, looping statements, strings, collections, Python list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, functions in Python, different arguments, right? Filter function, lambda function, map function, reduce function, right? Models in Python, modular programming, different ways of importing, renaming, reloading, packages in Python, errors and exceptions, file handling, object-oriented programming concepts in the regular expressions, database access, database connectivity, Python date and time, operating system, right? Advanced concepts like iterator, generator, closures, decorators, GUI programming, Excel workbook, data analytics, introduction to data science, and important modules like Pandas model in brief, NumPy, numerical Python in brief, Matplotlib. These 30 topics I'll be discussing for Python core and advanced, and some other new models also, right? And apart from the people who go for Python full stack Python, Django framework, Django installation, project architecture, application creations, Django views, Django templates, Django admin, Django models, advanced concepts, ORM, class-based views. And nearly 15 to 20 applications you'll be developing in this Django, right? UI technologies, you'll be given knowledge on this UI technologies, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and MySQL, right? So just observe this, right? I was Python core and Python advanced, nearly 70 hours we'll be spending, 2 months duration, 6,000 is the course fee for it. People who go for Python full stack Python, so you'll be given knowledge on this UI technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, the Django framework with 15 to 20 applications. When you are, if you're going for full stack, if you're going for this framework, right, you'll be provided UI technologies freely, and Flask framework and REST API also. Along with that, you'll be given Flask framework also. I'm going to discuss freely, and REST API, and MySQL is the database, and a project tab. So for this, all this, right, for all these things, it takes two more months, right? Yes. 70 more days, 2 months, 7,000 is the course fee for it. Python plus frameworks, 70 plus 70, 140 hours, 2 plus 2, 4 months, 6K plus 7K, 13K. But if you're taking the entire full stack with a single payment, instead of if you're taking Python later, if you go for frameworks, 6 and 7. But if you're taking total package, right, it's 12K. Yes. And the timings, as I said, right, in the earlier session, first 1 week it will be at 7 p.m. I said. Later it will be at 8 p.m. up to the end of the course. So I said, what are the things you'll be getting? Videos, each and every session videos for all this 140. And people, if you want to go parallelly also, Monday to Friday, you can go with Python. Saturday and Sunday, there'll be some Django sessions. Any Django batch starting, you can attend it. Because immediately Python, Django is not going to get started. You'll be given knowledge on this UI technologies. And you'll be getting all this, right? Soft copy of the notes, videos, assignments, tasks, a WhatsApp group. All the sessions will be interactive sessions. I want the sessions to be more interactive, right? Interview questions, 300 plus code examples, plus the 300 code examples, what I discussed in this course, plus again 300 assignments, tasks, and 15 to 20 applications we will be creating, right? I also deal with data engineering, big data, right? Big data. So there's one more package like Hadoop, where you will be discussed with Hadoop, PySpark, Linux, Python. So in that big data package, you will be getting this Python 2 months course, Monday to Friday, right? You will be attending. So the 2 months, and apart from that, Hadoop, PySpark, and Linux, this will be in the weekends. 12 weekends will be 15,000 is the course fee. If anyone interested, once you get enrolled, you can attend any of my Python batch or this Hadoop or PySpark batches, right? Yes, Bhanupriya, right? You will be getting the certificate once you complete the course from DurgaSoft. You will be getting the certificate from DurgaSoft, right? Yes.
I have submitted, sir, today fees. So tomorrow I'll get the all things, right? I'll
So
need
tomorrow, tomorrow, like at 5 o'clock, they'll forward the link to you. If you're not got the link, you can see that some contact details are provided. Some 2 numbers are provided, right? You can contact those, right? If you're not got the link. So you'll be getting the link in the email. Check your inbox, or even sometimes it goes to spam folder also. Okay, fine. So from tomorrow onwards, you'll be getting the notes on regular basis. Videos, daily video will be added to your Google Drive with whatever mail you are joining the meeting. And tomorrow a WhatsApp group, you will be added to the WhatsApp group, right? If any errors, you can take the snap and you can post in the WhatsApp, right? So all the sessions will be interactive, as I said, right? Fine. Any other queries, anyone? Right.
In the Django, means the training that will be continued after this Python at the same time, or it will be at a different time?
No,
If
no, no. Because it doesn't mean that all the students will be preferring this Django framework. You might be in some batches, majority of the people will be choosing. In some batches, only very few people will be preferring, right? So you can, once you get enrolled on Django, you can attend any of my Django batch of any time, right? Not in the same time.
Okay, but it can be like, I can do it after this Python training, right? I
Yes,
have to do
after Python you can do, or parallel you can do. Anything is fine.
Okay, okay,
Once you got enrolled, right, you can attend any of my batch.
okay, fine. Thank you.
Vijay, if that is parallelly, if you want to attend, then what is the timing?
Saturdays mornings, Saturdays and Sundays mornings, you'll be having batches.
No, weekdays, not weekends.
Weekdays, if any batch is announced, that you can join, like evenings, mostly in the evenings. Okay. Somewhere like 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, right? Fine. But yes. But most of these batches, most of these Django batches, because you want to develop application, right? You want some time for that. 1 hour session won't be sufficient. That's why we go with 2.5 hours. That's why most of the batches will be weekend batches, but some weekday batches also will be there. But you can, once they got announced, you can attend any of my batch during this course. Fine. Okay. Fine. So if I'm done with your queries, if there are no other queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you tomorrow. So get enrolled for getting the link from. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow.